5:15 and we're off. It's still very dark. It's okay, we have coffee. Let's stop then after the coffee. So now it's much lighter. Coffee is done, so we awake. So we wake up today early, too early, because we are going to get out a puppy. Yay! Are you not excited?
We have already got it.
We have bring some toy, so this is gonna be his toy. We have bring some blankets. We bring something more behind. Really exciting.
We are really exciting, yeah.
Yes.
I almost couldn't sleep last night.
Or maybe too stressed that you're going to wake up so early.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Yes.
How's it going?
Oh, look at him. This is Spot. We're going home, yes? No. Don't jumping on it.
Then Spooty.
He's exciting about the car. How you doing? You safe now? Yes? You calm now? You okay? Mom, what's that? This is Spot. We're going home, yes? Give him some milk, a snack, goat milk. Okay. We stopped at service to feed him some goat milk because now it's past 2 and he needs to have some snacks. That sounds delicious. Nom 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 nom.
Yum yum yum.
You're doing well, good boy. A bit more?
You want more? Kanske inte.
Nej, jag tror det räcker.
Oh.
How is it? How is your journey so far? You sleeping all the time? Yes? Last 30 minutes now of Spot journey home. Yes, prepare to keep right. He has been doing so well. He's been drinking milk, playing and sleeping a lot, and he haven't crying much, which I'm really appreciated and I'm really proud of him. Right now he's right on the floor here by my feet and sleep. But I have been very pleased. Right, we have been quite lucky. It just have been a small accident because he was car sick, but it wasn't much, so he really quick clean up and it's gone.
Yeah. He actually acted very good.
Yes. He was really quiet when he did that. and it wasn't much, so it was no noise, and it doesn't smell, which is really good. Spot will be home soon. Are you awake? Are you awake when the car stops? Yes. Are you awake? Okay, you're not interested to go down? We're at home now. Spot. Spot, we're home. Oh. Spot, we are home. Come on. Okay. We just arrived. And he needs to go to toilet. So we're gonna lift him to the grass. But we're just gonna unlock the door. But he's still sleeping, so he's not really interested to go to toilet, is he? Alright.